Many people are started to practicing speaking in English, but they are not success. Do you know the reason why they are not getting success for practicing speaking in English? I will tell you the reason. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Monica. Today I will tell you why most of the people are not getting improving their English. The main reason why they are not improving is consistency. Yes, friend. They are not consistent to practice daily basis. Friends, for learning anything or improving something, you have to be being consistent to improve yourself. Let's example. I have read something today, but I will not repeat it tomorrow. So do I remember the things? No. If we have to be learn something, we have to be practice daily basis. In that way, we will improve our skills. It is not that if you have learned something or speaking one day, you will improve your English. You have to do practice daily basis so that you will find your mistakes and improve. Finding mistake is a best technique. You have to find mistake in your speaking skills so that you will improve at that point. First of all, you have to be consistent to practicing. Even you are speaking wrong, you are speaking wrong vocabulary, you are fumble, but do practice daily basis. So that in few are improving on practicing daily basis, your fumble will be forget. You will improve and increase vocabulary as well. If you are consistent, then you will improve vocabulary as well. On daily basis, if we learn something and we are using that word, in that way we are improve our vocabulary and speaking skills as well. So guys, my question is with you. Being consistency for learning something is important or not? Tell me in a comment that what's your point of view to be being consistency. Bye bye. Meet you in next video.